Hello everyone, VJ332 back again, and you're looking at my wall again because it's time for another little itty bitty deck collection video. It's time to look at my mini deck collection. So let's look at it. Again, I'm using my tripod and my camera, so it should be fairly stable. So here we go. Mini decks and assorted kind of decks. So at the top here, start there. Why not? That's the basics. Mini bicycles. In red, blue, green. Turquoise I got recently, which is pretty awesome. Tally holes, circlebacks, red and blue. Hoyle, red and blue sellbacks. Bicycle Ghost. Bicycle black tires. There is the Mini Phoenix. I'm not sure why it's not bicycle branded, but whatever. And then there is the Alchemist and Alchemist X. Actually, Alchemist X and then Alchemist. There is Sam the Eagle. I believe that's what it's called. It's an Olympic deck. Sam the Olympic Eagle. Going back over here. We got Allure, black and white, Grid, 2.0 and Grid minis. Here is the Alien Ink Flowers, and Alien Ink Galaxy, one of them anyways, second edition it looks like. Steampunk Bandits, I guess that's white, black, and the colored edition. Ultimate Universe. There is the Home Run Zombie Riders. By the way, I had this one in my recent deck collection update video. It wasn't supposed to be there, but not a big deal. And then there is the Home Run 8-bit gold deck. There's a mini Coca-Cola deck, a Playtime mini deck. That's a pretty cool vintage deck. And then we got a bunch of Illusionist mini decks, more of them. On top of the one that's up top, the Bicycle Ghost, we got Artifice minis, red, blue, green, or emerald, purple and white, or tundra. And then we got the same again. There's 5 that are first edition and 5 that are a second edition. That is because Illusionist screwed up on some of them in the colors the first time around. They got black pips instead of red pips and uncolored faces and just all sorts of screw ups, so they reprinted them. And then there is a mini black arcade, mini black rounders, mini red LTD. There is these little tiny little Duke toy cards. Red one. Well, you can't see the backs, but there's a red one and a green one. Very cool, very vintage, very small. I've also got some rider backs here in green and turquoise that I found somewhere a long time ago. It's just an assortment of them. They're incomplete decks, but there's parcel decks anyway. They're in green and turquoise. And then there is the Hoyle, whatchamacallits, I forget what they're called, but they're not actual minis. They're the other way. They're the slice. That's what they're called, the Hoyle Slice. And they basically minis, but the other way, long, instead of half, the other way. But that is my mini deck collection of sorts. All sorts of mini decks. And that's what I got. I'll see you next time.